Hey there, this is Keith Neely at 812 Eastover Parkway in Lake of the Woods, Virginia. Let's go check this house out. 4 bedroom, 3 bath, 2,700 square feet, 2,900 square feet. I haven't read it wrong. All right, so let's walk in. You see this? First thing that hits you is this foyer. It's got a diagonal fireplace, staircase. And the railing looks nice. There is a room right off to the front here. This is the 4th bedroom. It does have a closet. And it's got a shared bathroom. This house, with this one in the main room. Come back out here, there is a formal living room and a little dining area, all with hardwood floors. This part of the house has a kitchen. It's a real nice kitchen. It's got this pantry, really big pantry. Granite countertops, stainless steel. It's got a stackable microwave over the oven. Nice tall ceiling. It's got the family room right here, right off of it, with a built-in fireplace, gas, and a spot for your television. I've seen a lot of people are putting drywall over here now and just mounting their TVs flat, but either way. It's nice archways. It's a custom built home. Let's go out and take a look at the deck. Kind of keep it true to the house. It's got a kind of a curved straight deck, just like the archways. Private lot. This is off near the back, near the small lake on Eastover. All right, it's got an unfinished basement, but we'll check that out in a little bit. Let's go check this portion of the house. It's got a laundry room here, a large, oversized 2-car garage. Then the coat closet. Thermostat. Then when you come in, like I said, this is the first thing that grabs your eyes, the stairway. So we'll head on up. Right upstairs, we have 3 bedrooms, 2 on one side and the third one here. It's got a full bath. This first bedroom is a good size. I'd say it's 15 by 16, something like that. Good walk-in closet, but tall ceilings. Nice, good sized kids room. Second bedroom has a dual door closet, good sized closet. A little bit smaller than the other room, a little irregular shape, but nice bedroom. Got this nice railing over here. This house was built in 2006. Here we are in the master. It's got a tray ceiling, good size for the bed, and then you have a little desk, office, dressing area. His and hers closets. I'm going to take you into the master bath. Shower, jacuzzi tub, dual vanity. Okay, good. Here we are in the basement, fully unfinished. You can do anything you want here. It's roughed in. For water, it's big enough, it's tall enough. You got windows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 windows and a sliding door. Come see me, we're at 812 Eastover. See me virtually anyway, if you want more information about this or any of our listings. Thanks, talk to you later.